Welcome back, guys! Today you will see episodes about police chases. This video is made for educational purposes and informational guide and contains significant original text commentary. This dashcam video showed a Forsyth County Sheriff's deputy involved in a high-speed chase that lasted several minutes and reached triple digits in speeds before the suspect surrendered. On September 24th, at about 10:30 p.m., one deputy noticed two vehicles coming up behind him on GA 400 northbound at high speed, weaving in and out of traffic, and began a pursuit. The cars reached speeds of more than 150 miles per hour and passed cars on the right shoulder, according to deputies. One of the cars exited off at Buford Highway as the other stayed on GA 400 with the deputy continuing to chase. The driver of the car eventually gave up on the chase on Pilgrim Mill Road just before the deputy got into position for a pit maneuver. The driver told deputies that he was already driving 140 miles per hour and there was no reason to stop after going that fast. Tejas Desai, from Buford, was arrested for reckless driving and felony fleeing.
Clear. What's going on already on that one? I'll call.
Right up there.
Alright, outlaws are making a right on Pilgrim Mill, right on Pilgrim Mill. Alright, just hit the curb, Alright, we're on Pilgrim Mill, speed is 70, no traffic.
Clear speed 70, no traffic.
Tango Delta Victor 1371 TDV 1371. Get rid of it.
Clear on the back. Okay, how are you there?
Alright, I got it. Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Keep your hands up! Get out of the car!
An FCSO crime reduction unit deputy spotted a Ford Fusion with a temporary tag and 4 female occupants driving erratically on GA 400 south near Matt Highway. The deputy tried to catch the car, but was unsuccessful despite driving 90 miles per hour. The Ford Fusion coasted for about a mile along the side of the highway before coming to a stop. The deputy issued commands over his intercom for the driver to exit the car. After the second command, the driver fled on GA 400. Then the deputy performed a precision immobilization technique or pit maneuver to stop the car.
2150. If you'll let know Dawson, have him stop. We're southbound just before 13. also know I have them stopped. We're southbound is 413. Occupied 4 times. Driver, get out of the car. You ready there? Taking off on me on southbound. Native pit. We're southbound.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
They're reaching on me.
Pit, starting with some more units. They're compliant right now. Yeah, I got them. Driver! Step out! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards to me. Walk backwards. Back to me. Back.
A chase through the East Los Angeles area and the San Gabriel Valley ended with the suspect being taken into custody after a dramatic standoff. The suspect drove at moderate speeds for most of the chase on multiple freeways, including the 10 and 710, and on surface streets in East LA and in the San Gabriel Valley. During the chase, the SUV lost a tire after a spike strip attempt and authorities narrowly missed performing a successful pit maneuver. The suspect made his way to a residential area and entered a cul-de-sac located in the area of Sombrero and Avion Drives, where police units managed to box in the vehicle about 6:35 p.m. However, the suspect refused to surrender and attempted to flee in the pinned-in vehicle, sending large plumes of smoke into the cul-de-sac, shredding the remaining tires and eventually causing smoke to emerge from beneath the hood of the vehicle, disabling it completely. Police officers equipped with a ballistic shield approached the SUV, broke the driver's side window, and forcefully removed the suspect, who was taken into custody just before 6:50 p.m. Eventually, authorities got the suspect out of the car and arrested him after a roughly 15-minute standoff. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road.